I'm often asked, George, how did you get started in the speaking business, in public speaking? Well, it started with, at the time I was a middle manager in a large corporation, and I had the opportunity to attend a workshop on presentations. It was a 2-day workshop, and I took it to my boss to get permission, and he said, you don't need this workshop, you're already good enough. I had been doing presentations regularly, both in the workplace and outside. And, you know, when he said that, I also thought, he might be right. I probably don't need to improve. I'm good enough. However, I persisted and I did attend the workshop. It was a 2-day workshop, and I came away with 2 big ahas. The first one was that I wasn't as good as I thought I was. No way at all. No way. I had been deluding myself, and my boss was maybe deluding me too. I wasn't as good as I thought I was. The second big aha is that it wasn't about talent. It was all about technique and skill. The skill of using and crafting the technique. And that intrigued me. And from that, I became more interested in speaking and presenting. I volunteered to deliver more presentations, both at work and in my community. And over time, I got better and have continued to improve from that. The point is, many people don't realize how bad they really are. And many people don't realize that it is all technique that you can learn. It's not just something you see someone doing once and you copy. No, you need to understand the technique and then craft the technique to fit your personality, your style, to get the biggest effect when it's your turn to speak.